Okay, hello, another day, another mail call edition. Got some more mail here today. I love getting mail on a Sunday. Got a couple things here. I just cut them open. I have not looked at it yet. Just do the one-handed thing here. Excuse me. Okay. Silicone license plate frame. So I don't think my license plate holders rattled, but these were only $7.50, something like that. And what I wanted to do is, let me show you. I want to replace this advertisement stupid thing. Just have it plain black. I think I'll take that off too. Gotta do that right now. Well, let me open that other mail. Okay, so we got that. The second thing we got here is, do this one-handed again. This cost me, let's see, this was $9. It is a GoPro case for underwater. My GoPro can get wet. It is waterproof, but and they say it can go underwater, but I don't want to trust it. So I got one of these, and it looks like there's some sort of red filter that goes on there too. Yeah, there you go. It's got the filter on it. I'm not sure if I'll be using that, but I gotta find out what that's for. Let me put my GoPro in and see what it looks like. Okay, I have my GoPro in there and I tried it out and it works just fine. Awesome. Now when I go kayaking, I don't have to worry about it. Or I can even do some underwater shots maybe. Nice. I love it. Good deals at Amazon. Okay, these plates clearly mark on them top and bottom. The reason they have a bottom is because there's drain holes on the bottom here, so you need to put this on the bottom like this. It says it on the package too, so you can't really screw up unless you don't read things. Let's get them on. They come with really long screws, which is fine for the front. That's working in the front because it goes all the way through the bumper, but in the back I'm not so sure. We'll have to see how that goes. Okay, that's looking much nicer. Nice and plain, nothing standing out too bad.